Hey friends, this is Thou Art Worthy in the key of C. Make sure to stop the video, and if you click on the description below, I will have the chord sheet that you can print out and follow along with me. All right, I've tried to strip this down to the basics without changing too much of the beautiful chords that are in there. But this is a great way to chord along to this song and worship. All right, so let's go through the chords. We have C, D, F, G, A minor, and then we have a D minor. So don't let that scare you. Let's go through it. All right, so look for this group of 2 black notes, and if you line up your 5 fingers, you're in the C position, so you can play every other note, C, E, G, and you're playing a C major chord there, okay? All right, move up 1 set of notes, and you're in the D minor, so D with the little M there, okay? So D, F, A, okay? Then we have a D major, which is just written D. If you move your 3rd finger up to this black note, that's the difference between a minor and a major, is just 1/2 note. So D, F sharp, A, and it is a triangle shape, okay? Kind of makes that triangle shape. That's the only one in this song. All right, then we have C, D, D minor, F chord, and we're going to look for this group of 3 black notes, and you could play F, A, C, okay? Move up 1 set of notes, and you're in the G position, G, B, D, okay? Then 1 set of notes again, A minor position, A, C, E, okay? All right, so let's review. We have C, D minor, D major, and then we have F, G, and our A minor. All right, so left hand is going to be playing single notes down here if we're going to play chords up here, just to keep it simple. So when we play a C chord, we're just going to play single C note. So for this song, I like to put pinky on F, line up my 5 fingers, and then don't move this hand the whole song, and I'll show you what we do to cheat just a bit. All right, so here's the C to C. When we play the D and the D minor, let's just open our thumb up 1 note here in the left hand so we don't have to move our hand out of position. Just open up, play the D minor to D in the bass, and same thing when you play that D triangle, that D major chord, okay? All right, so let's play a F to F, G to G, and then our A minor to A in the bass. Okay, just single notes to chords. All right, so this song is written in 3/4 time signatures. So I use a rhythm called 1-to-3 ratio, or together, right, right, together, right, right, together, right, right, together, right, right. You could see how it is when we add in some chords. Together, right, right, together, right, right, together, right, right, together, right. You hear it? Thou art worthy, O Lord. Back to the C. To receive glory, glory and honor, glory and honor and power. Okay, so it's just kind of a good way to chord along to the song. Just have a good foundation. So let's move into the chorus, and then we'll go back to the verse. So there's only that small little verse and a chorus in this song anyway. All right, so we just got done going glory and honor and power. Okay, we're going to move into that D minor, which we just open our thumb, D minor here. For thou hast G, aided hast, C, all things created, D minor. For thou hast G, aided all, C, things. Okay, then for thy pleasure, we're going to be the A minor. For thy pleasure, they are. Here's that D. And then for thy pleasure, they are. C. For thy pleasure, they are. D. And then for thy pleasure, they are. C. For thy pleasure, they are. D. And then for thy pleasure, they are. C. For thy pleasure, they are. D. And then for thy pleasure, they are. C. For thy pleasure, they are. D. And then for thy pleasure, they are. C. For thy pleasure, they are. D. And then for thy pleasure, they are. C. For thy pleasure, they are. D. And then for thy pleasure, they are. C. For thy pleasure, they are. D. And then for thy pleasure, they are. C. For thy pleasure, they are. D. And then for thy pleasure, they are. C. For thy pleasure, they are. D. And then for thy pleasure, they are. C. For thy pleasure, they are. D. And then for thy pleasure, they are. C. For thy pleasure, they are. D. And then for thy pleasure, they are. C. For thy pleasure, they are. D. And then for thy pleasure, they are. C. For thy pleasure, they are. D. And then for thy pleasure, they are. C. For thy pleasure, they are. D. And then for thy ple those 3 beats. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to play that again. Thou art worthy, O Lord. Okay, just make note of that. You might want to jot that down. Just put 1, 2 next to the F and 3rd beat on the G. All right, so let's go back to the verse since it's pretty simple. Let's talk about patterns because you are going to notice a lot of patterns in music. This one in particular doesn't have a lot, but if you look at the verse, C, F, and then the 3rd line is C, F. So those do, typically it's like 1st and 3rd have the same chords and 2nd and 4th, kind of like poems do. So just be noting that in your music because that'll help take out some of the overwhelm. Like I said, this particular song doesn't have a lot of repetition. I mean, there is a little bit in the chorus. The first 2 lines are the same, but it's beautiful anyway. But just notice that. It helps take out some overwhelm for you. All right, so let's go slowly through verse 1 there. Let's see. Thou art worthy, F chord. Thou art worthy, C. Thou art, A minor, worthy, O, D. Remember that A minor, or sorry, coming from that A minor to the D, just open your thumb to the D in your left hand. O Lord. Back to the C. To receive glory. Okay, F. Glory and honor. C. Glory and F. Honor and C. Power. Then it goes into the chorus. For thou hast created, hast all, and so on. All right, I'm going to play it beginning to end. You can play it along with me. Make sure to go back to the beginning if you need a little help. Here we go. Thou art worthy, thou art worthy, thou art worthy, O Lord, to receive glory, glory and honor, glory and honor and power. For thou hast created, hast all things created, for thou hast created all things, and for thy pleasure they are created. Thou art worthy, O Lord. Thou art worthy, thou art worthy, thou art worthy, O Lord, to receive